Hello, I'm here to share my gratitude journal that I'm going to use for this year. I keep planning it and adding things in it. It's time for me to start using this puppy because it's full. It's already full. So I took a hymnal that was falling apart, gutted it out, added vinyl, fake vinyl to the spine, and here's the back. Jump in. Made 2 pockets. Left this blank because later I could paint on it or journal on it or do whatever I want to do. Made an envelope. I don't know where I got this from. This is from the Martha Stewart collection that we were running it at Tuesday morning. Okay. Music paper from the book. Stamping. Vintage message paper. This is a Rolodex that I made into a tuck spot and put paper on. Stamping. This is Christmas ribbon from Michael's a couple of years back when they were throwing it out at Christmas. Let's see here. Made a little envelope to journal on. I don't know where I got this. Don't know. Trim. I just love eyelash trim. I can't seem to find it anywhere though. I've gone everywhere looking for this eyelash trim. Don't know where. I just can't find it anywhere. This again was from that Martha Stewart collection. Took a piece of what's this? Index card and glued the music sheets to the other side. Bag. It's a playing card, vintage playing card that I could sand on the other side and then draw on it or collage on it or journal. Vintage card I could journal on. This is trim from Hobby Lobby. And guys, you know I love my Dollar Tree. But sometimes we could get things for a better price other places. This is from Hobby Lobby. And you see that says $1.99. At half price, because Hobby Lobby is always running half price on their trims, their ribbons and trims. Look at all this. You can't get this from Dollar Tree for no dollar. So, yeah, there's other places that may have better deals. And because this is a lot. This is a lot. Dollar Tree said, what now? Wait and see. Let's see. But for right now, Dollar Tree, you can't get that at Dollar Tree. I mean, that's a good buy for $1. This is a tag I made just sitting around one night. It's magazine paper. This is product packaging, and then I put extra scrap paper on that. Again, the Christmas ribbon. This is dish, out of a pack of dishes that you get in the box. This was the padding in between. Vintage playing card, Michael's clip. Here's a jar. Probably from we were running to Tuesday morning to get all that Project Life cards. This is probably from the packaging for the dishes. And I just made a tag. Dollar Tree sticker. Vintage paper. I had the owl trims in there somewhere. I don't know. That's from the Dollar Tree. Oh, and these. That's a pack of bling stickers for $1. And I picked this up, I think, at Rite Aid. So you got to look around in some places that are, unconventional places. They look around for some crafty things. I mean, for $1, you can't. This would have been, what, $5 at Michael's? Yep. And look how much I had left. I was just playing with it. I don't know where I got this. And this is this stamping. Washi tape the other side of the bag. This was from a lot of Mike. This was from Michael's. I just stuck this in there. Probably from when they were giving out the $2 grab bags, and I got a lot of journals were in there. I think that's where this is from. I made the paper clip. I think we're coming to the end. I'm not finished it, but it needs to be finished because it's thick. That's from mail. Yep. And that's pretty much it, guys. Alrighty. I really love how this is, coming together. I'm not finished, but I'm going to start writing in it and using it to, list the things that I'm thankful for. This is my favorite side. When it sits on my desk like this, I just love how it looks from the top, from the side. Use the bag. I like it. Alrighty, guys, that's all I have for you today. I'd like to thank you for watching. I might come back with a what's in my arts and craft bag. I don't know, but for right now, this is all I have for you today. Bye. Thank you for watching.